Indian prisoner Sarabjit Singh's sister Dalbir Kaur has made countless emotional appeals, but Pakistan continues to give her a cold shoulder. As Sarabjit battles for life at Lahore's Jinnah Hospital, isn't it time for India to toughen up against Pakistan?
बचा लो इसे मैं कह रही हूँ, बचा लो इसे, ले चलो यहाँ से।
Her countless pleas have been ignored.
प्लीज इसे वापस ले लो, इसे बचा लो।
Her several requests have been shot down.
झोली फैला के कहती हूँ कि प्लीज बड़े भाई बन जाइए जरदारी जी, इंसानियत को याद रख लीजिए, इंसानियत को अपना लीजिए, इंसानियत के नाते मुझे मेरा भाई जिस हाल में भी है दे दीजिए।
Sarabjit's sister Dalbir Kaur making a fresh emotional appeal, appealing to the Pakistan government to permit Sarabjit to shift to India for better treatment.
क्या अगली साइड पे अमेरिका था इसलिए मलाला चली गई? आज सरबजीत इसलिए इंडिया नहीं जा सकता कि वो इंडिया है और सरबजीत इंडियन है, और आपके चुनाव में आपकी वोटों में फर्क नहीं पड़ जाए। बिल्कुल साफ नजर आता है, सारी दुनिया जान चुकी है, सारी दुनिया को नजर आ रहा है, मलाला अमेरिका जा सकती है लेकिन सरबजीत अपने इलाज के लिए नहीं जा सकता। दुख हुआ, मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ, भेदभाव हुआ हमारे साथ।
Even the Indian government sending an official request to Pakistani authorities for moving Sarabjit to India, putting the ball in Pakistan's court.
All the instruments of diplomacy that are available to us, we are using. Very clear that we are willing to take the responsibility to look after him, and this is in fact being pressed also as a humanitarian appeal.
While the Indian government has completely denied taking a soft approach in the matter,
facts, or are we going by impressions? If it's only impressions, there isn't very much I can do about it. From 2005 onwards, we have repeatedly, very carefully, in a very determined way, we have sought relief for Sarabjit.
a defiant Pakistan snubs India again.
Unfortunately, these things happen in our prisons, whether it is Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. South Asia has a bad record of treating its prisoners.
Four-member medical team in Pakistan has dismissed any idea of sending Sarabjit abroad for better treatment. The Indian government has requested Pakistani government to consider the idea of sending Sarabjit Singh to India for better treatment.
Sarabjit, who is currently battling for his life in Lahore's Jinnah Hospital, is the second Indian prisoner after Chamal Singh to be attacked inside a Pak jail.
साजिश के बिना थोड़े ही ना सब कुछ अंदर चला गया और जेल अधिकारियों को पता नहीं चला। जब उसके ऊपर हमला किया है तो क्या वहाँ पर शोर नहीं मचा? क्या पास वाली बैरिक के लोगों ने नहीं सुना? उसके साथ ही किरपाल है, क्या उसे नहीं सुना?
Hold on. I have to refute the concept of conspiracy which has been now alleged on the reason that he is now a convict and there is no reason to get any paper signed or any document prepared and thumb marked by him at this juncture.
The brutal attack now raising serious questions, not just on the lapse of security in the Pakistani prisons, but also India's soft and defensive diplomacy in Sarabjit's case. Bureau Report, Times Now.